Now it's time to turn our lovely Gelli prints into little mini art journals. So let's begin. We've got our sheets of paper that we made up on the Gelli plate with our lovely patterns, and now we're going to fold it lengthwise in half and crease the page. They use a boning tool to help crease the page, and I have a little white splayed tool that I have, and I am going to use that. Now we turn the page around and fold it in half again and flatten down our crease. Then open the page out and fold each end into the middle. Then open your page out and fold it in half. Take the scissors and cut from the folded edge up into that middle fold. Open your sheet out and fold in half, long ways, and squish together. Folding your pages down together, and there you have your little booklet. Adjust your pages evenly and flatten. So now to turn it around and do it the right way. Sorry about that. I'll leave my mistake in so you can see how easy it is to change it if you have done it around the wrong way. Flattening the pages again, pushing them in because I already had the cut in the paper, and then folding it into the correct shape. So here we go, nice and simple to correct at this stage. Just making sure all the pages line up correctly and adjusting them to fit within themselves. Now taking my glue stick to glue the inside blank pages together so that when you turn, you're turning just the one page at a time. I'm placing my mini journal on top of a piece of plastic so I can glue without making my desk area sticky. So here we go, gluing in that section, just running it simply down the edge on the inside, and that will glue that page into making one page. And I go through and do that throughout the mini journal. And that's it, finished, ready to start working on it in our next video. So please join with me then when we turn our little mini art journals into beautiful pieces of art. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye for now.